Today, we're gonna be making some turkey smoked sausage. Cut this bad boy out of here. Wanna get some paper towels. You're gonna wanna dry them off. Then we're gonna hit it with some olive oil, so that way our seasoning sticks. Some Hen of the Woods, Memphis. Go ahead and season these bad boys up. Go ahead and hit the other side. Cut them in 1-inch chunks. All right, let's get these bad boys on the grill. Kind of gotta be quick here. We're gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and dump it in there. Let's go ahead and check them. I opened up the damper, add a little bit of charcoal. Let's go ahead and give these bad boys a little flippy-dippy. They're looking pretty good. All right, everybody, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and douse these. We're gonna move them over to the indirect heat. Let these babies glaze over. Let's go big here. Watch. Now we're talking. Quit playing around. All right, guys, we got them all glazed up. Take a look at them. Here's the moment of truth. Look at them. Looks like a candy on them. All right, fellas, check it out. Comment below what you guys think. These things look banging. Since the grill guy here, I got something to tell you. It's good.